Hello everyone. So today we'll look into this topic. How does your tooth looks like in the radiograph, in a tooth radiograph? Now when you go to a dentist and when dentist take an x-ray of your tooth, you never recognize any of the tooth structure and you just nod saying yes I understood and you go with the treatment. Now it's very important to know what your dentist is showing to you and where is your cavity present, uh, where you need to go for cleaning. Okay, so for that you need to understand the tooth structure that is seen in your radiograph. Okay, now today I'll tell you. Now this is a basic picture where you will be able to easily understand that you usually have three very important tooth, tooth part or structures. One is the topmost, the white part that is usually seen in your mouth. That's your enamel. Okay, when you smile, the white part, when you smile in white, thing that you see is your enamel. Okay, now inside that is your dentine. The inside that's a yellow part. Now enamel is covering your dentine. Okay, and that's why the dentine is not visible in the mouth. Okay, the what is visible in the mouth is your enamel. Then comes inside your dentine is your pulp. Now the whole of the dentine is covering your pulp. Okay, all over. Now pulp is that space which is consisting of blood vessels, and that's why it's red in color. Okay, now this is your crown meaning which is visible in your mouth, and this is your root portion which is inside your gums. Okay, now this is a basic picture that you should know. Okay, now how do you actually see it in an x-ray? Now can you guess? Now this is an x-ray of one of my patient. Now can you guess that which is enamel, which is dentine, which is pulp, which is bone? And if you have a cavity, then how does it look like and where it has reached, and that sort of. Now can you guess? Now I know it is going to be difficult to actually know it right now, but after this video you'll have some idea about how to see your x-ray and remain vigilant when you are undergoing a dental treatment. Okay, now this is your enamel. This white part, as I told you in the previous slide, that this white part, extreme white, is your enamel. Okay, now this is the topmost layer of a tooth structure. Okay, now when you see in dental x-ray, usually have a white and a black part. Okay, now let's not get into deep, but it's a basic thing. Okay, so enamel, it's your topmost covering, which is your extreme white structure. Okay, then comes your dentine. Okay, now enamel is the one which is covering your dentine. Okay, now second is your dentine. Now this all over here is your dentine. This is your dentine over here. This is your dentine. Okay, now this whole section is dentine. Now you can clearly see the difference between your enamel and your dentine. Enamel is your extreme white and dentine is also white, but it is less whiter than the enamel. Okay, now this is how you see a dentine in an x-ray. Then third comes your pulp. Now you see the whole of the dentine is covering your pulp. Now this black part is your pulp. Now the pulp is your black part which is over till the root end. Okay, this whole black line, this is your whole pulp. Okay, now this looks black, and why not white? Because this is a hollow space. Now what happens is when the x-ray goes inside your tooth structure, it just passes your tooth structure, and that is why it doesn't retain any of the x-ray. I mean, it doesn't retain any of the radiation, and that's why it turns black. Okay, and this is for the same reason when you see a cavity in your tooth. For example, this, a cavity in your tooth, cavity meaning an hollow space. Now this looks like a black space, a black thing. Okay, now because it's a hollow space, the x-ray beam have passed through it, and that is why it has showing a black color. Okay, now we'll go into deep in the very next videos, but for time being, this is your pulp. Okay, now when your dentist tell you that your cavity have reached to your pulp, now so that means it has crossed the first layer, it has crossed the second layer, now it has gone to the pulp. Okay, then comes your bone. Now this section, this whole section is your bone. Okay, now bone is the one which is covering your tooth structure. Okay, now since it's a 2D picture, so that's why I'm showing it this way. Okay, now in between your tooth roots you have bone, in between your two tooth you have bone. Okay, this is your bone. Then comes your, if you will look over here, this spaces, now this is not cavity, remember. Okay, now this is a hollow space, and this is naturally present in between your two teeth. Okay, now these are the areas called as interdental spaces. Matlab, in between your two tooth you have got a space. Now these are the natural spaces where you're supposed to, when your food gets stuck over here, it usually comes out. Okay, so that is why it's very very important to clean this area, and that is to be done with the floss. So for that, please watch video how to do floss. Okay, now these are the very common areas for the cavity, and if you're not cleaning over here, you're certainly having a cavity. Okay, so start flossing today. Okay, now the basic picture: enamel, white part, dentine is the second layer, pulp is this black line till your root end. Okay, and bone is your this part. Okay, and these black spaces are your interdental spaces. That's it. So I hope you understood a bit of what your dentist show you in an X-ray, and you'll have a bit of idea. In case you have doubt, please direct message me, and do leave a comment, do share, subscribe, and follow.